Emma, you need to get up. It's Sunday morning. Ugh, Mom, 5 more minutes. I'm busy. Emma, it's already noon. Time to get ready. Fine, whatever. You need to dress respectfully for church. Do I have to? Yes, now put on your clothes. Do you need to use the bathroom, sweetheart? No, Mom. I told you, I don't. Emma, you need to stay in your seat during the service. Whatever, Mom. I'm bored. No, look at me. Fine. But it's not fair. Come on, Emma. Church is starting. Do we have to? It's so boring. Yes, now hurry up. Fine, Mom, but I'm not singing. Emma, put that gum away. It's just gum, Mom. Emma, please throw that away. No. Just do it, honey. Make me.
Some believe they can defy any rule, but chaos always extracts a heavy price.
Let us pray. Blessings be upon this gathering.
Emma, quiet. Ugh, this is so boring.
Let us remember the importance of respect in this sacred space.
Like we have a choice. Emma. Sweetie, please stand.
But Mom, I don't wanna.
We stand when the others stand. Just for a minute.
Fine.
Emma, put that away. It's boring. Emma! Give me the phone.
Let us bow our heads in prayer.
Let us bow our heads in prayer. Let's bow our heads in prayer. Emma, that's enough.
Emma, turn that off. Now. Ugh, Mom, I'm trying to. I said now, young lady. Do not answer that phone, Emma. Hello? What do you want? Oh, the humanity. Yeah, I'm at church. It's boring. What? Olivia, you have to hang up. It's prayer time.
Ugh, Mom, I'm just talking.
Now. Fine. Don't look at me like that.
They keep pushing until someone snaps.
Emma, stop that right now. Watch me. People are staring. Emma, stop that right now. Everyone's looking. Sweetie, please listen to your mother. I said stop. Just for me, dear? Ugh, so bored. Jingle, jingle. Just trying to have some fun, folks. Stop rattling those keys, Emma, please. No, I'm keeping the cool sound. Hand them over right now, young lady. Everyone's looking. Nope. Finders keepers. Oh, I'm so bored. I'm not sitting still.
Emma, sit back down. You are not walking around.
You're so unfair.
Ah!
Emma, you are embarrassing me. Stop mocking people.
This is so boring. I'd rather be anywhere else.
I can still hear you, Emma. Behave right now.
And let us reflect on the...
Whispers loudly. This is so boring. Shh, Emma, stop it. Make me.
You just dropped that there? It's just a wrapper. Emma, please pick up your trash. Someone else can deal with it. But, Emma... Nope, nope. Out of my way! Hey, watch it, little girl! I'm in a hurry. You're all too slow. She just cut the whole line! Unbelievable! Emma, don't forget your manners. Say thank you.
Thank you.
I am so sorry about her.
True class never goes out of style. It begins with respect. Elevate your world.